Okay, everybody, it's me and you. It's me and you. All right? Yeah. Gregory Mannarino. I forgot your name. What is it again? I'm being silly. You know how I am. I like to be silly. Anyway, look, here's the story. This is my post-market wrap-up on this volatile day. On Wall Street, stocks did finish higher, but we have a lot to talk about. So let's do that. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed today with about a 360-point gain. However, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 800 earlier in the day. There's a few reasons for that. I wrote a few of these things down, and I want to cover that with you as I do this video blog here. So what's going on here? What's the driving force behind this rally today? Well, it certainly is not that we have a clear winner with regard to the election, although, keep your shirt on, it looks like Joe Biden is going to win. It's not written in stone. I'm just telling you what it looks like and what the market may be pricing in. Okay, calm down, all of you, because I see there's a lot of people out here who, need to up their medication or something. Just relax. Relax. The market is pricing in something right now. Well, it's pricing in two things. A Senate which will maintain a Republican majority, and it's pricing in a win of the presidency by Joe Biden. This combination here is very, very bullish for the stock market. Let me clarify something real quick, because I'm reading through the comments here and I see a lot of fake stuff or misinformed people. I never ever said once that we were going to get a blue wave. For those of you that said, "Oh, Greg is wrong, we're getting a blue wave," post a link to where I said that we were going to get a blue wave. I did say Joe Biden was going to win, but I did not say that we were going to get a blue wave. Okay, so if Joe Biden does not win, you could call me out on that, but I never said ever once that we were going to get a blue wave. I had no idea and I wasn't sure what would happen with regard to the Senate. Now, again, let's go back to the markets here. Why would this be a very bullish scenario for the stock market? A Republican-led Senate and Joe Biden as president of the United States. Let's do the Senate first. Let's look at tech today. Tech took off. Why did tech take off today? Well, if you recall, the Democrats wanted to, hammer big tech. Well, that's not going to happen if the Senate remains Republican controlled, regardless of if Joe Biden wins. If. You got it? Calm down. Okay. Number two, did you see crude oil today? Bam! Beautiful. If the Republicans keep the Senate, and it looks like they're going to, big oil is going to do great. This is a boost for the stock market. Why? You know why. Crude oil is the lifeblood of the military-industrial complex. The energy sector is very big, and it will power the entire market higher on top of the financials. Now, financial stocks got hit today. Why did financial stocks get hit today? Easy scenario to figure out. Right now, our current freak, the Treasury Secretary, Steve Mnuchin, he said specifically, Wall Street gets whatever it wants, all the cash it wants in unlimited amounts. Not so much for you or for the American people, but Wall Street. Now, if Biden wins, who will be the Treasury Secretary? Some other freak. It won't be that freak. So the easy money won't flow to the banks as easily without, Mnuchin over there. So that's pretty straightforward here. Let me see what I wrote down a couple of things here. What else did I write? Oh yeah, how about this one? With regard to crude oil, of course there'll be no Green New Deal or Green Deal. We're gonna pollute the hell out of our environment. Very stock market positive, as you know. How about capital gains tax? Well, that's not going to happen either. And the rich, they're not going to get taxed either. The rich are going to love it. They're going to buy stocks. Boom. Very stock market positive. With regard to Joe Biden here, again, this is all the stuff he will not be able to get done if he wins the presidency. Because, again, if the Senate remains under Republican control. However, Joe Biden is definitely not as divisive as President Trump is. So there are some that believe he will be able to reach across the aisle. There are some that believe that he will be able to actually get us real trade deals with our partners. This is massively stock market positive. And there's the thought here, okay, that a stimulus for the American people will be smaller still because of the Republican-controlled Senate, but I'm not too sure about that. Joe Biden is going to push for a big stimulus package, parabolic debt. And it has to happen because, again, I wrote a few other things down here. We got two abysmal pieces of economic news. The ISM manufacturing index plunged, and private payrolls fall off of a cliff. So, look, we're still in an economic meltdown, and I can't imagine a way we're going to grow out of this. I mean, it's just not going to happen. The debt is going to continue to inflate. I think it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple here. So anyway, look, with regard to this video here, please, people, stop with the back and forth yelling at each other and stuff. I can't handle it. It's if it gets too out of control, I'm going to start banning people in a big way. I want this channel to be about unity, about people coming together. I said, let's use this as an opportunity to come together. This election isn't even over yet. It's ongoing here. And regardless of who wins this thing here, we've got to stop. I mean, if you're going to stay locked in this for the next 4 years, I feel very sorry for you. I already see it unwinding. People just can't get over anything anymore. I guess it's this sissy mentality. You hurt my feelings. I can't take it. I mean, come on. Are we adults or are we not adults? Are we sub-morons? Or can we get, meet somewhere in the middle here? I hope we can meet somewhere in the middle here. So again, with regard to this market, the market is pricing in, it's in our face, a Joe Biden presidency and a Senate still controlled more so by the Republicans. And this is an amazing setup here for this market to go higher. It's that simple. Everything else is conversation. So if you want to sit there and yell at each other, go do it someplace else. I'm not going to let that happen here on this platform. It's just too stupid. I got the brain dead on this side and I don't know who on the other. Just stop. We got to stop. We really, really do. Anyway, so I hope I clarified a few things here. And like I said earlier, I never said there was going to be a blue wave. And for those of you that said I did, prove it. Okay. I had no idea where the Senate was going to go here. I really had no idea. I never even spoke about it that I can recall. Maybe I brought it up once or twice, but I can't remember ever saying blue wave. So prove me wrong that I said that there was going to be a blue wave. I'd never said that. Again, I will admit, I did say that Biden was going to win. And if he does not win, if you feel the need to call me out on it, well then go ahead. Because it's just conversation. That's all it is, okay? This is about making money in the market. It's a twisted system. The whole thing is absolutely out of control on a level that is just off the freaking Richter scale. And again, if you're going to stay locked in some kind of, delusional state, well, then I feel sorry for you. We must move forward and we must come together, all right? Otherwise, again, we lose. And I will not allow losers on this channel. All right, with that said, I'm out of here. All right, so please, people, share the video, get it out there. Let me know what you think. Does it seem logical to you, if you can think straight, I know some of you can't, that a Republican-controlled Senate and a Joe Biden presidency will be bullish for the stock market? I mean, it almost seems like a no-brainer to me. It really, really does. But could I be wrong? Absolutely. I will read the comments. Let me know what you think. I will see all of you in the morning. I'm looking forward to it. And I think that's about it. I love you a lot. Again, please share the video.